Construction at Camp Nou is moving fast this week with no matches to interrupt progress. Glass panels are being installed, massive slats are taking shape, and pillars for the compression ring are rising steadily. Every corner of the stadium is buzzing with activity as workers bring the plans to life. Stay with us and we'll show you today's full detailed walkthrough inside Camp Nou. And please don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you get the latest updates from Camp Nou. We begin in the Tribune area. The walls are now completely painted black. The 3 block walls are finished. We also see new chrome tubes. These are smaller and thinner than the wider ones near the north goal. Some are slightly wider, others thinner. They will likely be installed along the black painted walls in the central stands area. On the left, 1 or 2 workers are around the stairs area. The interior is quiet, with no movement on the scaffolds. On the right, aerial platforms are active, each with workers handling stair structures. At the Diamond Store, glass panel installation has resumed. 2 panels are placed to the right of the door and another 2 between the doors. Only the upper sections of the doors remain, 3 panels on each side, to complete the front of the diamond. The area still holds many glass panels, especially for the corner. When installed, the shop window will look impressive with its large, tall panels. In the corner, several green pieces are placed, including some on scaffolds. An aerial platform is active as workers install glass panel supports. 1 worker is tightening screws connecting the supports to the black beam. Moving to the south goal, some beams were previously white. Now the left ones are painted black. A few beams still need painting. Some workers are applying material but not painting directly. Slat support brackets are partially installed. 2 aerial platforms are active, 1 near the stairs, 1 in the interior. A black crane is preparing pieces for the elevator structure to be placed inside. Several workers are on the prefabricated stairs reaching the 2nd Velati level. They continue assembly efficiently. No other major updates are visible in this section. We continue moving to the right to follow construction progress. The pace is steady, with workers, platforms, and cranes actively placing materials and supports throughout the site. Today, in the corner area, cranes have officially started lifting and positioning new slats. Several units are already prepared on the ground, and installation is now clearly moving forward with renewed energy. With no matches scheduled this week, construction is progressing without interruptions, allowing the team to focus fully on accelerating the exterior work. Activity is increasing day by day, and multiple aerial platforms are operating simultaneously in this section. A new red slat is being positioned for the false ceiling area, signaling that this corner is entering a more active phase. Moving to the lateral section, there has been significant progress on the stair structures. The metal panels covering the stairs were not in place during my last visit, but now they have been installed almost entirely from bottom to top. The installation process is moving very quickly. Only a small section remains uncovered, and a crane is currently lifting additional panels to complete the work. From this angle, the corner looks much more active, with multiple aerial platforms and cranes operating simultaneously. With uninterrupted construction time now available, momentum across the stadium is clearly building. 3rd radial beam and compression ring pillars. Over the past few days, the 3rd radial beam was ready to be lifted, and it was finally lifted on Friday. Now the focus is on lifting the 3rd radial beam. The 4th pillar is already being assembled with the same pieces used for the previous pillars. With no matches this week, progress can continue steadily. In the middle lateral section, several aerial platforms are working on the stair structures. Many pieces for surrounding the elevator structures are still to be installed. The lower central area for the slats shows minimal movement for now, and the left side remains quiet. At the back, stair structures are progressing, and material storage areas are filled with components, including numerous stacked slats. The 3rd pillar has already been lifted without issues, unlike the earlier radial beam. Preparations for the 4th pillar continue, though no additional pillars are ready yet. The 3rd radial beam is being positioned for lifting. Some glass panels and large construction pieces are staged nearby, awaiting installation. Water-stagnant areas still require concrete work due to recent rainfall. Interior work continues actively, though mostly hidden from view. At the north goal, new pieces arrive via trailer and are being unloaded. Workers are installing supports for glass panels, and several aerial platforms are active. Cranes are moving materials, and the prefabricated stairs have several workers reaching the second volati level. Slat supports for the black beams have not yet been installed, so slat lifting will wait until these joints are ready. Some glass panel supports are partially in place, and more frames have been delivered. The upper parts of the north area show minimal activity for now. Chrome tubes are being unloaded, likely for structural or air conditioning purposes. Glass panels are staged for installation, with frames prepared nearby. If you enjoyed these updates, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss any Camp Nou progress.